Welcome to today's 5-minute tutorials nickel clip. Today's topic is how to make a Bitmoji Classroom. I'm your host, Wendy Vasquez with QUEZ Instruction. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to Google and sign into your Google account. I want you to click on this waffle and go to your Drive. In Drive, you're going to create a new Google slide, blank presentation. It's going to give you options. We just want a blank page. I like to set my page size to widescreen. Right now it's set at 16:9. I'm going to go to 16:10 and apply. So I have a nice large area to work with. And then I'm going to input an image, insert an image. I could upload something from my computer, but for this I'm going to just search the web. I need a nice background image, something like an empty classroom. So if I type empty classroom, these are some of the choices I get. It's not exactly what I was looking for. I really just want an empty room. So I'm going to take off class, hit enter, and now I've got some more choices. Here's a couple good ones. Let's try this one. I'm not really happy with that flooring, so I'm going to take that away. Let's see this. Yeah, I think that's going to work. I'm going to make this as big as my slide. So stretch it out. And now, what's a classroom without a whiteboard? So I'm going to go ahead and type in whiteboard. And here's a good one. This one has markers and an eraser on it. Oops, there it is. It's a little big, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Too small. Just right. And let's see, I also like, let's do a lectern. I haven't done one of those in a while. So these are great, except I kind of need one without a background. So sometimes you have to write transparent background next to the word. And here are some great choices. Let's go with this one. That looks good. They usually come in a little big, but you can always adjust the size, whoops, and put it wherever you'd like. So I think I like to have myself standing behind the lectern. I have on my Chrome extension a Bitmoji extension. This is a Bitmoji Chrome extension app, and I'm going to say pose. There's me posing, and this is a good one. Let's try that. Put me in there. Now you'll notice I'm kind of standing in front of the lectern, and I really wanted to be behind it. The other thing is this box is really large. I'm going to crop this image so that the box is not too large. That could become a problem later on. And I'm going to push myself behind that, the lectern. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to arrange, order, send backwards, and now I'm behind the lectern. I can move myself, show me a little, show me a lot, show me not at all, make me look taller. There we go. That's good. And now I'm just going to add a few other things to make my room look great. And I'll just be either uploading them off of my desktop or going ahead and finding them on the search bar here. So here's the finished product. Here's all of the little decorative touches that I've gone ahead and added to my Bitmoji Classroom. I've actually added some links in some of the pieces. I'm going to show you how I did that right now. So this is going to, I'd like for this to link to Storyline Online, where the kids can listen to stories being read by famous actors. So I've gone ahead and clicked on it, and I'm going to say Insert Link. And here I've gone to Storyline Online. I will copy that link, come back to my Bitmoji Classroom, I'm going to paste right here and just hit apply. And now this is a link. Every time they click on that, it'll take them to Storyline Online. I'm also going to give this a title, My Bitmoji Moji Classroom, so that it has a way to, so I can find it later. All right. And this has been another nickel clip tech tip in about 5 minutes, making a Bitmoji Classroom. Stay tuned for part 2, where I show you how to embed this into your Canvas course.